How to report a lost or stolen credit card in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, if you lose your Fifth Third Bank credit card or suspect it has been stolen, act quickly to protect your account. Start by calling Fifth Third Bank's dedicated credit card customer service hotline immediately. The number is usually found on the back of your card or on the bank's official website. Reporting your card as lost or stolen will block the card from unauthorized use. Alternatively, you can log into your online banking account at ffree.com to report your lost or stolen credit card securely. Navigate to the credit card section and follow the steps to report the issue. You can also visit a nearby Fifth Third Bank branch for personal assistance. After reporting, the bank will cancel your old credit card and send the replacement card to your registered address, typically within 5 to 7 business days. Be sure to update any automatic payments linked to your lost or stolen credit card once you receive the new one. Always keep your contact information updated with the bank to stay informed and reachable if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to report a lost or stolen credit card in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.